Hello, it's Mr. Jones here. I just wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you all back to school, albeit in this very unusual online setting. I hope that you've all had a really nice and relaxing Christmas and New Year, but are ready to return to your routines of work. There are 3 tasks that I'd like you to complete today. They're all very simple and they're based around your times tables. Having had 2 weeks off, I thought it would be good just to refresh a few of the very basics. Your first task is to complete this times table grid. There's 25 empty boxes, all that need answers in, and depending on which box you're looking at determines what answer you need. So this particular one just here, if I look to the left, I have a 3, above it I have a 4, so for this box I need to work out what 3 times 4 is and write the answer in it. Please make sure you do that for all 25 missing answers. Your second task is to try and find my missing total. In order to do this, you need to answer the questions at the bottom and cross the corresponding values from the grid. So for example, 9 times 4 is 36. I can cross the number 36 from my grid. And likewise, something times 4 is 24. I know the answer to that is 6, so I can also cross a 6 off. You need to repeat this so you've done all of the answers and cross them all from the grid. Just notice that there is a repeat of 6, there's a repeat of 36. I only cross one off at a time, and if I was to get that answer again, then I could cross the second one off. Once you've worked out the 20 answers at the bottom and crossed them all off, you should have 5 answers left over in your grid. All you need to do is add them together, and that will give you the final total at the end. So you can write that into this space just here. Your final task is to complete this worksheet just here. The screen displays some of the questions but not all of them, so please make sure you access the useful resources to get the full worksheet. All of the questions are to do with your 4 times table, whether it's timesing or dividing by 4, so use your 4 times table facts to help you out. I don't mind whether you want to print the resources out from home or you want to work from the computer screen and do them into your maths book, but either way, if you can take a photo and upload your final answers to Show My Homework so I can see what you've been up to. There's a really good website called Hit the Button, which I've put a link to on Show My Homework, which you can see on screen now. You can focus on a mix of times tables, or for today, because we're focusing on the 4s, you can click on that and you can practice specifically your 4 times tables. If you are struggling to complete some of the work from today's lesson, then please do not hesitate to get in touch via comment on Show My Homework. I'll try to make myself as available as possible and get a reply to you as quickly as I can. If the issue requires a little bit more input from myself, I might ask to arrange a time to meet on Teams where I can give you some personalised help with that specific problem.